thing. They still got a couple of piece of wood up here. I got to go on the outside and cut that out and put it up there. So, yeah, that ain't no problem. I cut it out. This piece I'm gonna cut out is double right there. All right, just put this piece on in here. See, just put this on in here. Just cut out that. Boy, you tell how hard. See, I have to cut all that shit on right there. But this is what we got. Nail it on down fast as I can if I gonna get this in there. The window fell down, it bust, so hey, it is what it is. But hey, we on to the good stuff. Yeah, this from the ground part of it, so you can see it all the way. See, I had to cut this right here off. It ain't nothing holding the top part on. So this right here coming up. See, there at the slides off. But I need to go nail this down because it's getting dark, and my little black ass gonna be in some trouble. Shot-town. Alright, just put the top plate on there. It's getting kind of dark, so had y'all know. Boy, that's some work. You see the dents where I hit it back in. Boy, tired. Getting late.